Hello, my PE students, and happy, week 24 and last week of February and all of those things. Um, for this week, same thing with the calendar activities. Next month will be March, and so you'll have a brand new calendar starting next week. So just a heads up with that you make sure that you're clicking on the right one and accessing the right activities for the week. For my students who are in the building, reminder, we are going outside. So make sure that you have snow boots, make sure you have gloves, make sure you have a hat to keep you warm, all of those things because we will be going outside. It's just a reminder for that. As far as this week with the weekly calendar and the secret code, so I always think it's really funny when I get to hear like goofy, embarrassing, silly stories from seventh graders because let's be honest, you guys have a lot of them of where it's like you're goofy. You're going through a weird time in life and you can get embarrassed sometimes and it's okay. And so I want you for the secret code this week to share one story of a time where you got really embarrassed. Okay? So like for me, I'll share mine because then that's fair. So one time that I got really embarrassed was if you've ever been to the Steele County Free Fair, oh, I kind of paused there. If you've ever been to the Steele County Free Fair in Owatonna, I'm from Owatonna, and so I would go there all of the time every summer growing up, and I still go there every summer, even as an adult. Well, all of the like wiring that gets connected to all of the different food trucks throughout the midway and everything like that. I was walking one time with my friends and we were just, going up and down the midway and trying to find food or go on the rides, whatever. I don't really remember. But all I remember is that we were walking and I totally biffed it. And I just totally tripped all over the wires, fell on my face. I had like a scratched up face. Everybody was around because it's the fair and like everybody's at the fair. So all of these people saw it and they're like, "Oh my gosh, are you okay? Are you okay?" And I'm like, "I just tripped over the wires. I'm fine. Just leave me alone." And it was interesting and I did it as a teenager, so it was extra embarrassing, of course, because teenagers are dramatic. So that would be mine. So for this week, I want you to share what your embarrassing story would be. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.